iClassPro's multiple logins feature allows the primary guardian on a family to invite other guardians to access their customer portal using their own logins. To invite another guardian to access the customer portal, navigate to the Account Information section of your My Account screen. Click the Send Invite Email button below an existing secondary user's name to send an invitation for them to be able to log into your family account in the customer portal or mobile app. After clicking to send the invitation, you'll be asked to confirm that you wish to send it to the email address already attached to the user. If the current email address is incorrect, you have the opportunity to change this email if needed. Once an email invitation has been sent, the Guardian will receive an invitation to access family account email. This email provides a link they can follow to complete setting up their login information. After clicking the link, the user will be required to create a password to finish setting up their access. They will also need to verify that they are at least 18 years old and agree to iClassPro's privacy policy and terms of use. After clicking Submit, they'll be taken to the account dashboard. It's important to note that at this time, secondary users only have access to view information on the customer portal. They will not be able to create enrollments or make payments, and are unable to update any account information except their own contact details. They're also unable to view information related to any guardians other than themselves and the primary guardian on the account. After a secondary user has been granted access to a family account, the primary guardian will be able to revoke access at any time by navigating to the Account Information section of the My Account page and clicking on the Revoke button in the student's profile. Once this is done, the secondary user will receive an email letting them know that their access has been revoked and directing them to contact the primary guardian of the account if they have any questions.